Stocking up on healthy breakfast items such as fruit muffins, oatmeal bars, and vegetable egg bites is made easier with convection. Why? Because you can easily bake on multiple racks at one time. And baking in convection always gives you great results because it keeps moisture in the food. An hour or so of prep is definitely worth having a freezer loaded with delicious food options customized to your taste. Oatmeal breakfast bars are easy to make and can be stored for up to 4 days in the refrigerator, or you can portion them and freeze them. Served warm with some plain Greek yogurt, they really make a wonderful breakfast. This sugar-free recipe includes frozen blueberries, shredded coconut, banana, walnuts, and some dates, and it only takes 15 minutes to prepare and 25 to 30 minutes to bake. The dates are first softened in some hot water, while the frozen blueberries are simmered to become slightly syrupy. Then the remaining wet and dry ingredients are assembled and combined. A layer of the oatmeal mixture is spread into a lightly oiled pan, topped with the blueberries, and then another layer of oats, and it's ready to bake. It's that simple. Now, if you are preparing another recipe at the same time, it's best to keep it on the simple side. No reason to overwhelm yourself. And this simple apple muffin recipe is just perfect. Once you have assembled all the ingredients and grated the apples, it comes together in minutes. And these muffins can be baked at the same temperature as the baked oatmeal. So, a little bit of work on the front end and a great result on the other end. So, it's just one more way to make good use of your convection oven. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.